If Chrome keeps asking you whether you want to open certain links or sites in an external app, you can disable that prompt by changing one small setting in the Windows registry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step, and I'll also keep it simple so you can follow along even if you've never used Registry Editor before. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Chrome fixes and Windows tips. Alright, let's get started. First, press the Windows key and R at the same time to open the Run dialog box. In the box that appears, type Regedit and then press Enter. This opens the Registry Editor, which is where we'll make the change. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes to continue. Once Registry Editor opens, look at the top address bar. You can click inside that bar, then copy and paste this path exactly as shown. HKEY_local_machine/software/policies/Google/Chrome. After pasting it, press Enter. This takes you straight to the Chrome policy folder. Now inside the Chrome folder, right-click on an empty space in the pane on the right. From the menu, choose New, and then select DWORD 32-bit value. A new value will appear, and now you need to rename it exactly to External Protocol. Dialog show Always Open checkbox. Make sure the spelling matches perfectly, because this setting only works if the name is correct. After that, double-click the new value you just created. A small window will open, and you'll see the value data fields. Change the value from 0 to 1. This is the part that tells Chrome to show the Always Open checkbox in the prompt. Once you've entered one, click OK to save the change. Now, you can close Registry Editor, but the last step is very important. You need to completely restart Google Chrome. Do not just close the tab. Make sure Chrome is fully shut down and then open it again so the new registry policy takes effect. If Chrome was already running in the background, you may want to check your system tray or task manager to make sure it is fully closed before reopening it. Once Chrome starts back up, the prompt behavior should now follow the setting you applied. If everything was entered correctly, you've successfully disabled that prompt behavior in Chrome using the Windows registry. If this video saved you time, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone else who runs into the same Chrome issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.